Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today's Dollar Tree cooking video is this delicious cherry dump cake. So I've never had dump cake before. I thought I never heard of it, but then my sister sent me a video that she did probably a year or two ago, and I just forgot all about it. So I'm trying this cherry dump cake. It's super easy to do. If you don't know how to cook, you don't know how to bake, this is perfect for someone like that. So I just have this lasagna pan from the Dollar Tree. And all you're going to do is dump in whatever fruit filling that you want to use. I'm using a cherry pie filling. And also, I'm going to just sprinkle a little bit of sugar on top because it wasn't really sweet to me. So you just go ahead and just spread that all over your dish, covering the bottom layer. Here is the sugar. I just added a little bit of sugar. Now you're going to take your cake mix powder and just pour it all over your fruit filling. So I went ahead and just cut that stick of butter into cubes. You can melt it and just pour it over the cake mix. I just decided to use the cubes, and then you just put it in your oven for about 30 to 35 minutes on 350. And you have this delicious dessert that took you no time at all, and I'm telling you, it's absolutely delicious. I never had it before, but this is gonna be like my new go-to for sure. Go ahead and use any topping you like, ice cream, whipped cream, and then you have this delicious, super easy dessert. It's absolutely amazing. I hope you guys try it out. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you all in the next video.